evening and welcome to the weekend news recap from Jpura News by Jpura Voice. I'm Melissa Handapangoda. As Sri Lankans, we too are facing a serious crisis in the face of the global epidemic. So it's important that we should be self-controlled and fulfill our responsibilities properly to get out of this pandemic situation and to move towards a normal lifestyle. So get your COVID vaccine immediately. Follow the main guidelines of wearing face masks, maintaining social distance, washing hands frequently, and minimizing public contact. Seek medical advice immediately if symptoms persist. Seek medical advice through the phone whenever you're unable to go to the hospital. And finally, do not leave your home unless it's highly necessary. We kindly remind you to make your full contribution as a duty and social responsibility to overcome this pandemic that the country is facing by increasing number of patients and deaths. With that reminder, let's take a look at the news headlines. Revised dates to obtain vaccine for unvaccinated undergraduates. Vaccinating children aged between 18 to 19 from October 21st onwards. A representation from USA at the Asian Sports Club Volleyball Championship 2021. A-level and grade 5 scholarship examinations postponed. An online process to obtain the services of Department of Examinations, Sri Lanka. Now, the news in detail. The anti-COVID vaccination was given to university students at all universities island-wide on 11th to 15th October 2021, according to the statement given by the chairman of the University Grants Commission, Senior Professor Sampath Amaratunga. Accordingly, university students were able to get their vaccine at the nearest university premises. This was implemented as a part of the program to accelerate the normalization of the education of university students. President Gotabaya Rajapaksa has instructed the relevant authorities to commence COVID-19 vaccination for school students aged between 18 to 19 on the 21st of October. This decision was taken at the COVID Suppression Task Force meeting. Accordingly, the Pfizer vaccine will be given to children of that age and the vaccination programs will be conducted in schools. It has been decided that the vaccination for school leavers within the above age group will be given at the nearest health medical office as well. Third-year undergraduate of the Faculty of Applied Sciences, University of Sri Jayewardenepura, Dulit Kulara has represented Sri Lanka at the Asian Sports Club Volleyball Championship 2021 in Thailand, which was held on the 2nd of October to 15th of October. Dulit is also a member of the Ceylon Electricity Board team, which won the Munshi National Super League Volleyball Championship in 2021. State Minister of Education Reforms, Mrs. Thisal Somarathna, stated that the attention has been focused on postponing the Grade 5 Scholarship Examination and the GCE Advanced Level Examination, which was scheduled to be held in November. Since students need time to cover the syllabus and prepare for the examination, while responding to a question raised by the Leader of the Opposition in the Parliament. Accordingly, a definite statement in this regard is to be issued after a discussion between the Department of Examinations and Ministry of Education. Department of Examinations has introduced a program to provide non-attendance services due to the pandemic situation in the country. Accordingly, these services can be obtained through the official website of the Department of Examinations of Sri Lanka, www.doinnets.lk, and through the DOE mobile application. Through this service, applying for GCE O-Level and GCE A-Level examination certificates in 2001 and later, applying for certificates via email. Obtaining exam numbers via email can be performed. The Department of Examinations of Sri Lanka further expects that this program will enable the students to apply for GCE O-level and GCE A-level examinations, revising their names too. Minister of Education, Mr. Dinesh Gunawardene, stated that it had been decided to start primary sections in schools with less than 200 students on the 21st of October 2021. Accordingly, 3,000 schools will be started in the first phase and under the imposed health regulations and school health guidelines. The Cabinet has approved the proposal, which is to extend the Memorandum of Understanding between the Defence University of Sir John Kotalawala and University of Marseille in New Zealand for a period of 5 years. Accordingly, the two parties have agreed to extend the Memorandum of Understanding for another 5 years, effective from the 21st of August 2021. The Accounting Department of the Faculty of Management Studies and Commerce of the University of Sri Jayewardenepura has published Volume 4 of the Journal of Accounting Panorama, which focuses in the areas of corporate governance, sustainability, and accounting education with 4 research articles. These 4 research articles are based on Sri Lankan context and carried out based on positivistic and post-positivistic approaches to research. That's all news we have for this week. This is Jpura News by Jpura Voice, the university-level brand of trusted news reporting. Take care. Good night.